Continuing my series on stick vacuums, we will be looking at the Shark ION P50. This is one of the most unique cordless stick vacuums I've tested so far. Unlike other products where the motor and bin are located near the handle, Shark went the opposite direction by moving it closer to the base. By doing this, Shark was able to reduce the weight on the handle, which is an issue for most stick vacuums that have the motor and dust cap close to it. Another advantage of moving these parts down is the larger capacity. Shark says that the ION P50 can store up to 2.044 liters of dry dirt. Before I start, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on the latest reviews. For more information about the Shark ION P50, please check the links below and let's get started. In essence, the Shark ION P50 has the same design principles as an upright vacuum minus the cord. What makes this product unique is that you can use it as a handheld vacuum thanks to the lift-away feature. It comes with 3 extra tools for cleaning stuff above floors such as chairs and mattresses. The most unique feature is the DuoClean head that combines a soft roller and a standard brush roll. Shark is the only brand with this design, maybe because it has a patent on it. Based on my tests, the DuoClean is perhaps the best at cleaning hard surfaces because the front roller doesn't spin as rapidly as other brands, so there's less risk of kicking debris forward. The large clearance up front allows it to clean huge messes, but at the same time can tackle fine stuff like dust. It doesn't have the clogging issue that the Dyson V10 has since it has a wide intake. In front of the main cleaning head are LED headlights, which I consider an essential when cleaning hard surfaces, as it helps track stuff like dust. The DuoClean head is capable of cleaning sand on hard surfaces. If you live on a beach or a dusty area, it is one of the best options in my opinion. In 2 tests, the ION P50 was able to pick up an average of 96.1% of the 50 grams of sand I scattered on the surface. It didn't have the splattering issue that other brands have, where it kicked a small portion of sand forward. If there's an Achilles heel, it would be cleaning long strands of hair. I didn't do a hair wrap test, but when I cleaned an area inside our room where my wife would regularly dry her hair, this was how much that wrapped around the brush. Removing hair won't be a problem because there are grooves on the brush roll, but it can be a tedious process depending on how much hair you're dealing with. The ION P50 doesn't have the 0M feature found in the newer Shark models like the Shark Rocket Pet Pro. The DuoClean head also works well on carpet, at least for cleaning surface dirt. Its main strength is its ability to clean different types of debris without any clogging issues. And the beauty of using this tool is there's no need to constantly switch attachments whenever there's a transition, as one tool will do the job. However, it will not do as well compared to other brands like Tinego when it comes to deep cleaning sand on carpet. I did 2 separate tests, one using the default carpet setting and a second one with the boost setting, and here are the scores. So the average of those results is 70.2%, which is decent but not as good as the Tinego Pure One S12 that scored in the high 90s. But considering the price difference between the two and the ability of the ION P50 to stand on its own, my preference would be the latter, unless my home has lots of carpet. Transitioning between surfaces won't be an issue thanks to the handle control that makes it easy to switch between carpet and hard floor modes. The third button with the boost marker is there to provide extra suction just in case there's a need for it. Take note that you'll have to continually press the boost mode in the upright or lift-away setting. However, it turns on by default in the handheld setting. I didn't have to use the boost setting very often as the DuoClean head does an excellent job, especially on hard surfaces. Despite the bulk, I like how the P50 steers. It isn't as nimble as the Dyson V8, but for its size, it is quite decent. In the upright setting, the handle feels heavy if you use it for extended periods, even with most of the weight near the base. It feels a little heavier on carpet as there is more friction with carpet strands. You can lessen the extra weight by removing the dustbin and use it in its stick vacuum configuration. This configuration also enables it to go further under furniture without any issues whatsoever. I'm also impressed by how it steers even in tight spaces despite the bulky cleaning head. You can also use it as a handheld by removing the handle on top, canister, and use any of the 3 extra attachments. One issue I have is the lack of a quick release latch, so only friction holds it in place. It also lacks a mini motorized brush that would have been great on upholstery, but you can purchase one separately in the Shark website, which I'll link to below. The Shark ION P50 will run for up to 32 minutes in the hard floor mode and up to 23 minutes in carpet mode. Not the best option when it comes to range, however, you can purchase an extra battery from Shark that doubles the runtime. The battery is removable and you can charge it on the vacuum or separately with this device. In its handheld configuration, it will run for more than 56 minutes at the low setting, which exceeds the 50-minute claim. I tested how usable the low setting is on sand using one of the brush tools, and the results were positive, as you can see in the clip. Motor filter and a post-motor HEPA filter that has an anti-allergen complete seal. This means that it will trap 99.99% of dust, dander, and allergens, according to Shark. Both filters are washable. This vacuum can hold up to 2.044 liters of dry dirt. And what I like about the dust cup is how easy it is to empty dirt, as there's a lot of open space. There's also access from the top, just in case it needs a more thorough clean. The big capacity enables it to cover more ground before you have to empty it. It isn't as noisy as other stick vacuums I've tested so far. Based on the sound meter, this vacuum only produces 66.4 decibels on the hardcore mode, 70 decibels on carpet mode, and 70.8 decibels on boost mode. Here's a comparison between the Shark ION P50 versus the other cordless stick vacuum brands. The Shark ION P50 is an excellent option for folks looking for a stick vacuum that can clean floors well. The DuoClean head is excellent for cleaning different types of dirt, from large ones like Fruit Loops to tiny particles of dust. It excels at picking up surface dirt and decent at deep cleaning carpet. The LED headlights is an important feature that will help you track almost invisible debris like dust without it. While you can use it as a handheld, the short hose and the looping handle does have its limitations, especially when cleaning in tight quarters. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. For more information about the Shark ION P50, please check the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.